Hi, my name is Brittany Boykin. I'm the Assistant General Manager here at Dental Creations. Today we'd like to show you how to become a Zirconia Master. Follow us to Syntex Dental Lab to learn how to get beautiful zirconia. The first place to start for beautiful zirconia is with your zirconia disc. ZirPerfect is a high translucent zirconia disc with 43% translucency and 1200 megapixel strength. It's offered in 9 different shades including white for those of you that like to dip and stain still. And it comes in a 98mm by 14mm puck. After you've completed your milling process, next move on to sintering. The Z tray has great thermal shock and it has contamination-free firing results. Mix it with the Z beads and you have a perfect restoration. After we've completed the sintering process, we move on to firing our crown. You can stain and glaze if you like, but the ZirPerfect zirconia disc is pre-shaded and has a pretty accurate color. Here we're using Wonder Peg and Perfect Pegs to fire our crown. Take note at the color change on the Perfect Pegs. They turn gray when they come out of the oven hot. And then, once they're cooled, they turn back to pink, so you know they're safe to touch. Wonder Peg burns out clean and comes out of the crown nice and easy. Since we opted out of the stain and glaze process, we are going to use Z-Shine Diamond Polish to polish our crown. Z-Shine will give you a beautiful polished crown in less than 30 seconds per side. Our results are a beautiful restoration with strength to last a lifetime. Thanks for taking the trip with us to Syntex Dental Lab. Did you see any products you liked? Please visit our website at www.dentalcreationsltd.com to learn more about our products.